is BRIGIT. So BRIGIT is another app that you can use to get a quick loan without having any issue. So you can see you can borrow and also build your credit with BRIGIT app. BRIGIT app generated over 5 million downloads so far, and the overall rating is 4.7, which is quite amazing. And the total reviews so far is 183,000 reviews. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see all the snapshot they also provided. Get cash fast, no credit check, no interest, no late fee. You can also build credit while saving money inside Bridget app. Avoid overdraft fee and late payments, and also put extra cash in your wallet to grow. So you can also improve your budgeting. Flexible repayment option is also provided inside the app. And if you scroll all the way down, you also see the details about the Bridget app. So if I click on the About app, you can see how you can actually get started to borrow money from this app. So all you just need to do is just download the Bridget app, connect your bank account, request a instant cash advance, then get money deposited into your bank account. So it's very easy. See full disclosure below on how to go about it. So you can get up to 50 to $250 with Bridget app. When you need extra money to make ends meet, Bridget got you covered. So no credit check, no interest or tip, no late fee, and repay is when you get paid or can afford to pay back the money you borrow from the platform. You can also build credit and save money inside the app. So there are a lot of features which of course you can benefit inside the Bridget app. You get so you can also earn while you're saving inside the app. You can also get a fast loan offer. Maybe you want to borrow more than $500. You can also sign up and also get a reward from doing just that. So you can also get support 7 days a week at info@hellobridget.com. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see some other details provided regarding their app. So the app was updated this month, which is May 3, 2024. I think that's 2 days ago, which is quite amazing. And if you scroll all the way down as well, you're gonna see the reviews on what people are actually saying about the app. So you can see people actually drop 5-star rating over the other rating as well. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see from American mode. So the review says it's okay, but I feel like I got mixed messages, and some of them are vague communication, or I just don't know where to look on the app. So, and that's why I downgrade to the free version. So I don't like paying for something that seems a little shifty or difficult to get straightforward answer. But it's think the credit builder did help with my credit score and a little, but now you need to pay more for that option. So the price hike isn't worth it for only that one benefit, in my opinion. So this review I've helped over 100 people so far. So I don't know what to think about that. So if you also scroll down, I'm gonna see another review, which is 2-star rating from Andrew. You can see the reviews test thereabout. So this review I've helped over of like 5 people so far. So if you also scroll, I'm gonna see another one from Jonathan. So 1-star rating. So like we all have different experience when you're trying to trying out something. So I don't know what your experience will be. I don't know which cash advance app you have actually tried before, but then you can look into any of these and uh you're gonna decide on what exactly you want to go for or which one you actually want to go for.